Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's topic is about functions in C++. So for this particular session, we will be writing a function that displays your name. Yes, so we are using the dev C++ application. Okay, so as usual, we start with our hashtag include iOS string. Push enter, we go to our next line. Now we go using namespace. std semicolon. Push enter. Now for the next line, show to display name. Move to our next line. This time we input void display name. Display name. Open and close bracket. Then we push enter. So for the void display name, so it's to create a function named display name that does not return any value. That's the purpose of the void display name. So now for our first line, we open a curly bracket. So after opening a curly bracket, our next line, we input cout. Cout, then input so cout 4 spaces, then we have the semicolons we write inside my name is, then input your name. So let's say Elvis Jr. So we input, close the curly bracket here, then we input the void spaces again, then end L semicolon. So now the curly bracket is closed. Move to our next line. Then we input int main close, open and close bracket. We move to the next line. We open a curly bracket. So to reopen the curly bracket, we move to our next line. Then we input display name. Open and close curly bracket. Then we add the semicolon. Then we add the back, the forward slash 2. Then we input calling the function. Then we move to our next line. We input return 0 semicolon. And that will be the end of the input. So we are done writing the code. Like I explained earlier, the void display name open close bracket, it creates the function name display name that does not retain any value. Now let's like this. See out my name is, the see out displays the name on the screen, right? And the display name open close bracket here, it runs the function inside the int main open and close, and the return ends the program successfully. So right now, after entering everything, we run the code. We run, so it's running. So after running, this is our outcome. So the function we inputted, this is the result. So my name is Elvis Junior, because once again, the function is to display a C++ function that displays your name, right? So after inputting all those things, this is the outcome. My name is Elvis Junior. So now they say press any key to continue. So you press any key, enter. So yeah, that's the end for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in our next video. Bye.